Okay, typical what I wear. You got work gloves. These are winter weights, so they got a little extra padding. I actually have some nicer riding gloves, but these are more comfortable. Like so. Normally the helmet is down, like so. It's got 2 sets of shields. Alright. Now these very unattractive glasses, left over from when I was in the Navy, these are made to wear inside a gas mask. So the rubber seals press right up against your temples, and the mask would go right over that seal. They just happen to fit really well in the helmet. Now these were made before 1994, so between 91 and 94. Ironically, the prescription is really good. The glasses I have now is not as good, so somewhere along the line, my eyes went back and forth about once. So, day glow vest. Now this is my good motorcycle jacket. This is the one I wore to the Alaska trip. Today I just wore jeans on the bottom. Sometimes I also have a matching pair of pants that match this. Totally rainproof. Double layers on the zippers and everything. It's got lots and lots of pockets. When I was on the Alaska trip, I had all the pockets full of just everything I needed day to day. The jacket has armor built into it. I'll show you that in a minute. So up on the shoulders, that's hard. Elbow pads. It's actually got soft armor on the back plate. And then I also got body armor that's separate. And again, it's got arm, elbow, shoulder, good chest plate, and the back also. This is really comfortable to wear. It gives you a little extra support. And it's actually a mesh that's breathable. And I wore this on the Alaska trip also. You can see all the mud on it. It never really got clean after that. So there you go.